Hello guys, and welcome back to a burst of flavor baking. Today we're going to be making Jamaican coconut drops with a toops of ginger. And of course, as usual, we're going to be making it with a keto flair. Now many of us when we started this keto journey thought, oh my gosh, we're going to have to be leaving all of these foods that we like behind, all of these pastries, we won't be eating them for forever. But coconut is actually one of those foods that is keto friendly. 1 cup of coconut will actually only give us about 10 grams of carbs. So today we're going to be making this very easy and simple keto-friendly recipe that will take us back to those childhood days of eating Jamaican coconut drops. We're going to need 1 medium-sized coconut or probably 2 small coconuts. In essence, we're going to need about 1.5 cup of cubed coconuts. So cut and wash your coconut and go ahead and cube them in very small pieces. Wash, peel, and grate a piece of ginger that will yield about 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated ginger. Add the ginger to the cubed coconut. Now add 1 cup of sweetener, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, and a half cup of water. Combine all of these ingredients, then transfer the mixture to a pot. We're going to allow the coconut drops to boil on medium heat for about half an hour until the mixture becomes sticky. Once the mixture becomes sticky, it is time to spoon it onto a piece of wax or parchment paper and allow it to cool down. Now while it is cooling, it is also going to harden and form that candy texture, so that hard candy that we are used to having as our Jamaican coconut drops. I did the math guys, and 1.5 cups of coconut is approximately 15 grams of carbs, and 4 tablespoons of ginger is approximately 4 grams of carbs. So we're working roughly with about 20 grams of carbs for this entire recipe, since of course the sweetener is 0 carbs. This recipe yielded 10 drops, and so each drop will give us 2 grams of carb. Not bad, right? Who knew keto could be this interesting? Well, that's what happens when you explore in the kitchen. So guys, keep the adventure going, and until next time, walk good.